Hello friends, Adam with Vital Garden Supply here. Today I'm here to talk to you about our product called Vital Soil Builder. This is a nice product that we have made for easy use for customers. It's an all-in-one amending product. It's about 50% biochar and then 50% all of our compost tea ingredients, including bat guano, seabird guano, glacier rock, baseline granular, vital worm castings, and vital compost. Today we're going to show you how to amend your last season's pots and also how you can top dress with the product. What we have here is a typical pot that could be used in many different cultivation scenarios, including light depping. This product is great for a light deprivation. Runs usually go about 2 months in that type of process, so every run you can top dress it and get your soil back up to use. No need to waste soil ever. We definitely believe in people reusing their soil. This product is perfect for that. So this bag, which is a 1.5 cubic foot bag, can amend at a recommendation that we've seen have good results, which means about a week to 2 weeks of fertilizer for the new plant transplanted to be able to feed off of before feeding. So with that said, this product will amend a yard of soil, 1.5 cubic foot bag to a yard of soil. This pot right here is somewhere around the 35-gallon pot, 30-gallon pot. So what we're gonna do is take a measurement out of that bag and take it down into the pot. I like to spread it all out and then scratch it in. So here we have a little bit already out of the bag. So this kind of pot, I would say somewhere around a cup would be good for a 30 to 35 gallon pot. I like to use these little squares. They get it nice and spread out, and it's about a cup size. We just want to get it all even, all around. And then scratch it in a nice 6 inches to keep the living soil going. Don't want to disturb the nice biology deep within the soil. So we get that all nice and mixed in. So now we've put the soil amending product into our pot. Got a nice scratch down about 6 inches in. Nice mix. If you had cover crop in this pot, I normally like to see people cut about 3/4 of the cover crop out, put that into their compost pile, and then as you put your soil mender in, you would just scratch in, pull up all the root systems of the rest of that cover crop in there. And then we got a nice mix down. Now we're ready for transplant of a plant. So from this point, you will transplant your plant in there, gentle watering, and keep that plant nice and moist without overwatering your plant until your plant starts to grow nice and strong. Water as it goes stronger, more water, so forth, so on. Now, when it comes to top dressing, so basically that means putting down a measured amount weekly. If you feed liquid foods or fertilizer throughout the week, we like to see people top dress every 7 to 10 days. If you're not feeding liquid foods, every 5 to 7 days. So it's gonna be a smaller measurement rate than what you would do for amending. So a top dress with this product on, say, a 30-gallon pot here would be about a half a cup or so every week. And you just water that in nice and gently. And that would be more something of this nature. Instead of scratching it all in deep, you're just going to put a measured amount all around the root system of your plant in the middle, but not too close to the root ball. And then you're going to want to water it in gently. You can just move it around before you water, but not real digging in like you would when you're amending the pot. And then that's a nice top dress. This product is excellent. It's a triple certified organic product. It really makes it easy for anyone to be able to take care of their garden organically. Vital Soil Builder. You can find it at vitalgardensupply.com. Thank you very much.